What makes the OBGYN residency program here at University of Florida so great? First and foremost, it's the people, and the people from all levels who are talented, intelligent, motivated, wonderful, wonderful individuals, but also highly dedicated to their education and the care that they deliver.
We want to graduate competent, happy, well-supported residents. That's our goal. We want to give you exposure to lots of different specialties with lots of different people in different settings so that you can be the next generation of physicians, so that you can go on to train future physicians. That makes this field, especially in academics, really exciting.
The collaborative nature of the UF health physicians, including the nurses, the physical therapists, the respiratory therapists, allows for me to have an ability to reach out to the different specialties if need be, especially on my gynecology rotation. Often I would interact with surgeons, I would interact with GI doctors, infectious disease, and I could always ask questions as far as dosing for medications or anything I needed.
So my experience at this residency program for preparation for my career as an OBGYN has been more than fulfilling, and I can say that even as a second-year resident. I have already felt tremendously more confident as a provider just in my 2 years of training thus far. And I'm excited to work in an academic setting and be a teacher just like a lot of my mentors are here.
Throughout your training, each year has graduated autonomy. So the first year is really learning the basics. You're in clinic, you're on labor and delivery. Second year is all about complex pathology. So you rotate through GYN oncology, you rotate through REI. The third year, we really want you to become a good surgeon. So you do a lot of surgical subspecialties. You spend a lot of time in the operating room. And then we want the chief year to really function as a junior attending role. So you have a lay of the land, you're overseeing all of your lower level residents and have a good idea of how team dynamics should flow and how to take care of patients.
In a 16-person program with 4 people per class, now thankfully 5 next year, I knew that I would get all of my needs attended to, whether addressing my weaknesses or strengths. I knew that I would get some one-on-one attention that I really desired from the attending physicians.
I appreciate the culture of our program because I know that everyone has my back. I know that all of my attendings truly care about how I'm doing and how well my learning is progressing. My co-residents are my siblings. They build me up and let me be myself while also making sure I'm being challenged and making sure that I am becoming the best provider I can possibly be. I've been in Gainesville for 10 years now, and there's a reason that I have stayed. I can get anything that I want in a little bit of a bite-sized package. I can get to any sort of restaurant, any sort of dancing scene, nature scene, in less than 30 minutes.
Our main mission is to have graduating residents who feel competent and empowered and supported. We're excited to train the next generation of physicians and get them all the skills and knowledge they need to be future leaders in our field.
We are very confident that all of our residents who train here will be able to be successful in their future careers and their lives, whatever path they might take, whether it's direct patient care, whether it's academics, whether it is some other pathway. Residency is a platform, and the University of Florida can provide a wonderful platform for your future careers.